The night the flames consumed my childhood home, I stood paralyzed, watching everything I knew turn to ash. But in that inferno, something within me sparked to life. The fire had taken my past, but it ignited a fierce determination I never knew I had. Homeless and with nothing but the clothes on my back, I vowed to rebuild, not just my home, but my entire life. I worked 3 jobs, slept in my car, and studied by streetlight, each struggle only fueling my resilience. Years later, as I cut the ribbon on my own business, I realized the fire hadn't just destroyed, it had forged me into someone unbreakable. The lesson? Sometimes, the worst blaze can light the path to your brightest future.